way to adapt our lesson with the Uno cards, like I said, we can differentiate by only using one color. So this has only got the color green in it. That will make the game go a little bit smoother for some students who have trouble. That could be your English as a language second learners, or your students with special needs, or students who may have never played the game of Uno before. The next thing is we have a student who really loves sensory play, whether it's a sandbox outside or colorful rice. You can have the students trace the numbers that they get, and that will actually help them stay in their spot a little bit longer. So again, we deal out our cards. 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5. Just 5 cards. I'm putting down the number 7 is green. The student is going to go first. And you can have this done with an assistant. You can have this done with a partner buddy. So, or paraprofessional. Go ahead. So they have 7 plus 8. So you can have your student in your colored rice in the sandbox wherever you're at do 7 and an 8 with their finger spelling. Or you can have them count from 7, count out from 7 to get to 8, to get to what 7 plus 8 is going to be. So if I'm at 7, I can do 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, I'm using my fingers to play in the sand that way, or to play in the rice that way. Very true. It is very comforting, but okay. Go ahead. What's 7 plus 8? 15? Okay. So I could challenge that, and I could get the point.
No, 14.
8 plus 7. So 8 plus 7. I'm put 7 on my fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
It was 14, 15. I was right. You got me confused.
I just wanted to be able to do the challenge. So I didn't show that last time. All right, the next number is 3, so I can do 3 and 7. And then again, you can have them finger spell the number 7 and clean it out and do the number 3. And that again gives them a little bit more sensory to go along with the activity. Other things you can have students do, instead of just doing 2 numbers, they could be adding all 3 numbers.
Yeah, right now.